Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video on your Behavior channel, and in this today's video we are going to learn about creating and importing 3ds model files into our Flexsim simulation modeling environment. So it is going to be a very interesting and fantastic video of Flexsim modeling. So we are going to learn a lot of exciting stuffs in this today's video, so stay tuned with us till end of the video. Okay, and if you haven't liked our video and shared our videos, please do share and like our videos. Do not forget to comment the video and subscribe to our channel. Be aware as we bring lot of interesting and educational content on your Behavior channel. So the main objective of today's modeling would be that we would be basically importing the 3ds files into the simulation modeling environment, and we will see how the change of that object visualization can be made and what are the further more modifications required in simulation modeling to do that. So let us start. So what is 3ds model? So if you look at all the objects which are available in the Flexsim environment are 3ds model. So I'll just stop the simulation model and give you overview. So if you look at this task executor, which is looking as a AGV, it is a 3ds model file. So if you see, you have this as agv.3ds model file. So if you change the shape of this model, then it would not look like a AGV, but it will act as a AGV. So if you want to change the visualizations of the entity in a Flexsim simulation model so that you could get more realistic visualization in 3D environment, then you can import the 3D shapes into the Flexsim simulation modeling environment. So today basically we are going to learn about importing different 3ds models into this, and let us see how it happens and how it changes. So the 3ds models are already available on our website beawarechannel.com. You can visit in there, check out, and then you can hit a purchase button and you can have that 3ds file downloaded, and then you can import it into your project, or you can use it for your educational purpose. It is going to really impact your simulation modeling. Okay, and if you need something specific to be modified or modeled in a 3ds file, do let us know. We will help you create a 3ds file and share it with you, and then you can import that in a Flexsim simulation model. So let us first import this Flexsim simulation AGV shape. Okay, so the AGV shape we are going to change currently to a Kivnon AGV shape. Okay, so we are having these 3ds files on our website, so basically you can just have a look at it. So now let us browse and select that file. Okay, so we are selecting the file, and here is our basically AGV out in there. So we need to have some modifications been made so that you can adjust it to your simulation environment. So now if you could look at my Kivnon, okay, my Kivnon AGV is here, and this is our normal AGV which is available in Flexsim simulation modeling. See how big there is a change in visualization. You can clearly look at the hooks of the AGVs, the center aisles, pingers, and all of these stuffs, hooks, fixtures, all you can just visualize clearly. So this is a 3ds file. We have it available on our website beawarechannel.com. If you want, you can download it and import it in your simulation model and use it for the simulation. Now let us see. Let us run a simulation model and see how it runs. So we have our new AGV 3ds file imported. See, it is just transferring the part to the queue. Now the change you could look at is that this AGV, you can see the part sitting on the AGV, but here you are not seeing that because the part is basically inside the AGV. Now in order to change this, go in a more visuals, go in the shape factors, and let us basically move our AGV down so that we can have this been visualized. Just look at this, and you have the part in a fixture holded, and your part is moving on the AGV. Now let us run this and see. Just look at this, how it is looking. Great, right? Your visualization has been increased to a next level, and you can see that how it is working. As per your requirement, you can model the shape factors. As per your requirement, you can modify the shape of the entities and objects, and it will really help you. Now, for example, let us make this AGV to travel from the air, and it should look like it is being used as a hook. So let us go in more visuals. I'll edit this and I'll make this 0.75 as plus, and with the shape factor it will get lifted to the top, and now you must see that my AGV is acting as a hook and the parts are being hanged to the AGV's bottom. So these are the modifications and the stuffs you can do in with shape factors, okay, and you can enhance your visualization in 3D environment. So for the sake, let us return to our AGV, and then it is going to be a normal thing. Then now let us check out for another stuffs. So now let us change this task executor shape to the trolley, okay. So I'm changing the shape of this by browse trolley, and I'm opening this. Now I have this trolley being available here, okay. Now let us first change the shape of this to our model units. So now here is our trolley. Now the only thing is what we need to do is we need to rotate this trolley. So now let us make it rotated in X direction, and here is our trolley. Now again, our trolley is in air. So let us go in more visuals in shape factor editing, and let us make this come to the ground. And we have made the trolley come to the ground. Let us reposition it here, and now let us look how this looks when it travels or transfers the part. So just look at our trolley and our new AGV transferring the parts onto its respective buffers and to its respective stations. So this is all about importing 3ds model files. So first you need to visit our website beawarechannel.com. When you visit there, you would be able to see the simulation tab. In the simulation tab, when you drop down, you would be able to see 3ds files, and when you click in there, we already have some of the 3ds files being present there, and we would be adding more 3ds files to the library, from where you can just download from that website, and then you can browse and import that into your simulation model. So this is the power of 3ds model files. So if you want any of the 3ds model files customized as per your requirement, created as per your requirement, just let us know from beawarechannel.com. You can contact us, or you can contact us from our email ID beawarechannelyt@gmail.com. It will be available in the comment section as well as at our website beawarechannel.com. So let us know how was this video for you. Was it informative? Was it interesting? And do like this video, share it with your friends. Do let us know your views in a comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to Be Aware, please do subscribe Be Aware channel for such interesting educational and training related content. So let us meet with another interesting video just at your Be Aware channel, and stay tuned at Be Aware channel and keep simulating and keep learning.